Hi there, we're back here in the warehouse with CandyMachines.com. What we want to show you guys today is the Big Mama Giant Gumball Machine and the unpackaging of that. So you sort of know what to expect when you get one of these monsters on your doorstep. So what we're going to do is show you kind of the tools that you're going to need. Get yourself a step ladder, some scissors, this pallet's going to be, comes on a 48 by 48 skid. It's going to be just over 84 inches tall. I mean, it's a monster. You just want to cut the straps, get the lid off, and what you're going to do is just cut all the way down. Make it easy, and then pull off the cardboard there protecting it. And so this is what you'll be left with once you get it unpacked. It's no joke. It's a full over 80 inches tall. Just to give you an idea, on this particular one, we're going to customize it. It's going to have a logo on it. And all that sorts of stuff. Yeah, here's my warehouse guys kind of pulling it up and showing you the body of it. Now, keep in mind, you need a true 42 inches to get this through a doorway. So, that's it. We will take a few more videos and show you some more once we get it wrapped all the way.